Yeah, man. Greetings again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I first. You see? Yeah. Give thanks to all of the subscribers, them. The people who will share it and a comment. And I like. See? You don't know, nobody expect no happy new year, yes, because last year me said that, and I see what happened. See, the whole year, we under lockdown and the whole year unhappy. So I try to see me can see, you don't know what I'm going. See? So, in the late 90s now, seeing mid-90s, so the man them start come back from, no, I want to tell you, early 90s, the man them start come back from Cuba. Because early 90s now, Massop come back. Seeing, Massop was first one to come back, Little Massop. Seeing? Little Massop now, you don't know him come back and little type of, you can see from them, from the meditation, from flex and thing like that, like in middle under dictation and a certain type of warning, like somebody and make him know, say, yo, don't do this, don't do that, don't do it, and as in basically new to the place, cause years, about much, 18 years I think, them did it for, or some did it for 18, some did it for about 13, 14 years or something like that. You see, so man, you can see some man that monitoring, you see, so we know what go on as youth still. You see it, and we as youth I show him say, oh, and so the thing set, man. You see it, and even start show him certain step and a step certain way too. You see it, make him say, yo, the road, you see it there, man, and you see it, but he don't know. He probably end up, it look to me like him did under some heavy promises and some high dictation, you know what I say? And I not go to, I wouldn't take that too high up in a politics either, so that where that I come from, you know see. So you don't know him that they are low profile and cautious and thing like that, you know what I say? But again, with all of the reverence where they employ to the hot step up passive from back in the day. All of that come to him now. All of the youth from around east, west, everywhere give him a certain level of respect and understanding. Whereas in Brother Pepsi, did they America and thing and eat up some food. You know what I say? And set the place to a certain little degree where him could have come back and balance on a level. You know what I say? You know, in terms of what they call it now, welcome our people or the community would accept, you know, in terms of acceptance type of thing in the community and them type of thing. There's like it never too left gone away, you know, because over the years, the little brother them always maintain a certain level of, you know, militancy still. You know, see. So the adoration and the ratings and the role of the props, you don't know. Until Tony Brown come back in the place now from England. You know, see. And that's you see differences and bad, you know, feelings start show. And certain things are exposed to a certain degree. I think probably somewhere along the way with the suspect at a certain level of animosity. But when Tony Brown come back and then in a well low profile at first, as understandable. You get what I say, and everybody has seen you hear rumors, so him come back in the island and things like that, and we know say yeah him there. We can confirm it. You know what I say? So we not expect to see a big meeting and a big linking and thing like that. But again now when we see over time pass and things like that and we see nothing develop of such a nature, you know, we start understand as you what go on. You know see, and arguments start talk and things like that. But as we start outline before, the adoration and the props and things like that, the reverence from, you know what I say? That me, as that my opinion, that I want me observe as I use, see that happen. You know see, it's like when Massop see Tony come back now, Tony TEGO come back now, you know say, well then, you know say that money everybody else start saying I look to and array and bear. You know see, which was the case. You know see, so it reached to a level now where some contract worker run and they build up the power barge out of Rockford. See? And Tony Brown out there work as a liaison officer, because I think most of the foreign contractor them speak Spanish. Remember for Spain them come from Mexico, or Spain and Mexico. You know see it, and because TEGO spent so much years at Cuba. See? So the Spanish come in handy. See? TEGO come in handy because it can translate and communicate to the locals and international work up on the side at the same time. You know, see? Plus a whole heap of other little roles as well. You know, see? So out of the blues now where an incident happened where me personally, regardless of who you want to be, that would shake you up, knowing say in your place, you name Tony Brown and that reach you. You get what I say? It would shake you up to a certain degree where that take caution. Because really and truly when them come back, a whole heap of people I expect say, and not I expect, including myself, so well then, Tony Brown and the man them are just put on them foot and start balance things. Not really make certain demands of politicians of such, but again, because of the name and them props, we know the exposure with them have and the respect with them have out there. And whole heap of people out there, we know them and respect them same way, find themselves in a certain position of influence and of power of such. You understand me? We know that. Uno know that too. You understand what I say? But the man them, not like them was interested in exploring these opportunities. You get what I say? But like me I said, they done a certain level of caution or fear from the system of reprisal or repercussion based on the history. You understand what I say? So them did up on them really did a creep to a degree. You know see? So whole heap of people and youth feel disappointed, especially youth who are stepping and do a whole heap of things and find themselves in a whole heap of position on par with a lot of things that they themselves had done back in the day as well. Through the inspiration where them get it from them. And when them see them a come and not like so well then them are gonna come back, come live the same life for them they live, or them expect them to come back, come live the same life for them and live. No, they expect them to come live a different, a mature, more form of the representation. You understand what I say? If you pick sense out of what I say. See? So what if a youth now start frowns and shun the respect cross east. You understand what I say? Through that. Whereas now mass up now, finding feet because him there a couple of years now. You understand what I say? So him finding feet now and him kinda not literal, not to the full extent or to the best of him ability or to the best of him potential, put it that way. Not to the best of him potential either, regardless of where we as youth are showing him and things like that. Still not to the best of him potential, but him see himself being overshadowed by the presence of TEGO Brown back in the picture now and things like that. You get what I say? So obviously, and again, them now see eye to eye, them now showing a level of cooperation amongst the youth, so the youth themselves live certain way. And some youth now when they establish himself amongst them is like them same youth that from in at the beginning now, and you know me I say like them same one and him still have a certain level of understanding or connection, like them more still a lean to him certain way. You understand me? Because you don't know. I him first come and them there, you know? Whatever, right. See? So Tony Brown up on the site one day and find himself get robbed. See? Come with some money, some pay bill thing and go on, and some man ride up on a bike and demands the money and thing like that. That's all. Him think a joke like, oh yeah, go on, right, and the man them must beat a shot or beat two shot and grab the bag. You know see? And jump on the bike and cut. So me I say, long story short still, you know say that how I make any man join themselves and look. Because every youth, or most youth from Rockford, man where work, see what go on, man where not work, see what go on. And the man they don't eat that, them know when the audience prepare themselves for a certain occasion. You know see, so the man they observe the whole scenario and know what go on and know say boy, know what time of day it is. You see, and even drawing himself with get more withdrawn more than how he was reserved initially. You get what I say? Start take himself one away, go hang out all over, skill call them at daytime and go check someone naughty from scheme used to come pick him up like clockwork every morning. The two of them gone like I work, them gone 9 to 5. You know see it not to win and nothing with nothing or nobody. You know see it. Until now, again, in presence, just in mere presence, you know, because I tell you, say, him them not to push no whole heap of influence or anything like that, like him kind of leave it, give them. You know, see him say, be a big man him starting out with for the whole day, come back, just go in bed. You know, see, trust me, you not even hang out, little I say hello or nothing like that. No farmer familiarization. You know, see, no association. You know, see, yeah, that's how going straight. We don't know what other people think or what people are going, but they know too as well. You know, see, because certain things don't stay high. But just show in presence. In presence is a hindrance. A whole heap of people can't make certain representation because him there for make them. You get what I say? Like a man also basically you can't tell me that another you name, so. You know, see it, and them man there and them man then come push them thing there. So again, you know, see it. It's like him is regardless of what him do. You know, see it. So there was you know what I say, a whole atmosphere where it's like the whole of Eastern upside down and a beer shooting a go on. Whole heap of people, whole heap of the community them split up. You know, see it. Tony Brown community against this community against Gully, down a Gully, and you know me I say a whole heap of a thing that go on. Long story short again, because we don't want to go into them details. You know, see, whole heap of bloodshed, and we're vexed, we're sorry because the whole of we are brother and sister same way, and the whole of we run up and down and go together, go to the same school. Them a big idiot thing that now history, a very shameful part of our history, we never want to repeat. And regardless, you see what go on at East, and now whichever storm or whichever breeze or blow we cause it fade around the way it run and smooth, and now may I hope and pray Rastafari go and give it the power and the blessing and the substance to carry on. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta, straight talk. You know, see it because I love. You know, see it? So when the youth them kick off and when the youth them ups and down and a be a joke. You know, see it? And enough influence I come from man where shouldn't or should I know better. You know what I say? Man where them and TEGO a friend, past association. You know, see, man where would have likes to TEGO get hurt but wouldn't hurt himself. You know, see, and vice versa. Man where TEGO would have wants to get hurt but wouldn't hurt himself or wouldn't instigate it either for some reason. You get what I say? So, again, even the youth them in the community where no really a benefit of such from Tony Brown influence, because I tell you, you know, see it? Purposely so. See, even the youth them now come under pressure from other people in the East. Because other people in the East now decide say, it's like them want, it's like enough time in a foreign in order for proof say you're a bad man from anywhere, any country you come from. Africa, America, China, Japan, Colombia, anywhere. If you want to prove say you're a bad man, fuck up sorry, no mean no bad. Just go war a Jamaican. I got this a Jamaican. Yeah, you rest a friend of and crew and colleagues. Yeah, you're serious. Yeah, you have potential. Believe me, you know, see, so it's like the same thing up around East now. Look, yo, every man want to show say them Tony Brown is not the thing no more, you know, see. And again, in doing so, them start attacking community and things like that and take advantage, rob shop, rob woman, rob man, and them little thing. Just some grievous abuse when I make no sense. So them say them benefit, but we never said how people could have benefit from certain things. So I'm saying, go on. Yet still them keep doing constantly and still them was gonna continue do it until whenever. You know, see, well, as youth and youth will grow up amongst the people and things like that, I don't know. We never did that because we're not done. You know, see it. And we do what we have to do until it's done. You know, see it. And like me, I say, sad history, but I saw it go. You know, see it. So, during them chapter they now, see, Tony Brown himself even start come back out of him yard and like him starts to certain youth now cause again the youth them I look upon it like so well then to the man them a step. Obviously them are gonna touch the icon or the big man and try this try create some sort of scene where you know me I say it affect him or me no know how, you know see, but we know say as youth we not gonna make that happen because again it all violate our ego and our own thing, you know see, own manliness. You know see, so basically even though him not ask feet or him never did a make no farmer effort like him a representing it farmer thing like that, youth and youth start put forward a level of protection then towards him when he could have did say. You know see, like for instance a morning time when him a go out for go work then or we have to call it work. Him and Natty used to just go drive go sit down over skill call them a daytime. Youth and you used to just step out and out there. So not same way. When Natty a drive past, Natty a see man strap and wait till the big man clear and gone. You know see it? And then the big man start realize that that's a one. Basically a him make man out there so till certain hours a day. See? So him start like, you know, show a certain level of a communication now until it develop. You know see it? And basically him just fall in. You know see it? And that's how now when him fall in you start see people true colours. You understand what I say? Because the youth them when him have around him wasn't an idiot. None of them. Here why now? Because again, him develop a strategy where a long time them have it enough from couple of them time. You know see it? Because like I tell you them man they used to send you to school and ensure say you develop on whatever ability you have, whatever potential. You know see it? Yeah, you used to, yeah. You know see it? So the man they like because again, as youth, if you choose from the youth them in the community now, him have a tough job because, and I like say, you have bad man over there so, you have potential bad man over there so, and step over there so, and so the community run. Everybody a kickball together, go dance together, do everything together, same way, and a man not see, every man a fight. And I like the whole of a road, the man a gangster. Then man do real damage on them little thing. The man really damage one another in here. So man we have fist to fist fight. I remember Cat and Pete have a kick out one day, you know. Pete say him away name there. Era Lee must come teach them in security or for the karate. You know see. And Cat say, you don't know about karate, man. So we are talking about what thing you know. And Cat say, alright, come here fight then. And him say, alright, come. And I say, Mr. Cat put some kick pan Pete. Boy, I can't even describe them, you know. All of this happening in the space about 30 seconds, you know. And the fight done. About 30 seconds, the fight done. Blah, 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 blah. And the fight done. The whole away I laugh. When the karate the way you do, before Pete could have gone so I don't like that, he get kicked down. You know, see it? And I laugh the whole away and then he laugh. All Peter laugh after himself, the whole away good again. See him, we are so we grow. So he would have a tough chance to pick so well in the one day a soldier, the one day not soldier, or whatever. Because the whole away look militant, because I just saw it stay. You know, I saw it things said. Yeah. Give thanks to His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie first. You know, see. Yes, Tishan, thank you. Maxi, hey, Jano, run it back. Yeah, them man that grow away. You know, see. Yeah. And make you know, say, and again, too, I saw the thing said, Jeff rallied them, Rowan them, the whole of the man them, they just living in love. You know, see it? And I just saw we did that for grow as you too. Every corner. You know, see it? And then again, whenever I have no discuss on with a thing against the corner around the road or whatever. You know, see it? I just love seeing me. If a man go try anything, I just muster in mouth argument. No, you know, see it? Yeah. See it? So, I just spirit tech, because every man have their own ability and potential. And Tony Brown is a man develop on that. You know, so a man that love phone and can handle the computer good, whatever area, and I be a new phone him get and every new phone him get him can't get a man there and say, yo, set up that whatever, right it, boom, bam, bam. See? So man, the man they have a level of closeness as well. See? And so on, so on, so on, so. Since all heap of man around the thing have a certain level of closeness towards him, but and all of them man they study the culture, the badness culture then. And all of them know it. None of them just find themselves in a privileged position in terms of badmanship. See? Which inevitable led to the demise of the structure of things. You know, see it as people know it. Tony Brown had step of George Flash and things like that. You know, see it. But before we get to all of that, see? TEGO have him thing a go on, all the youth that hang out around him now and things like that. And now, at the time when TEGO start listen to the things that we did I tell mass up from him just coming at the 90s, which him never listened to. You know, see, and luckily, because him and TEGO is not the same spirit. Not that him have a bad spirit, but him and TEGO is not the same spirit. Probably things that are different if the power were vested in a TEGO. Did vested in a mass up to the level. Because mass up get held back by him own influences, people who him respect and love and honor and expect for having best interest at heart. You know, see, them hold back mass up to this day. No hate and no grudge, no disrespect to the big man, general. You know, see, but at them story this. You know, see, yeah, I'm own friend hold him back. And still I hold him back till this day and won't even help him. Him sick and you know see it. Yeah, you know see it. So when the relationship developed now between TEGO and the youth, them around Halifax Road, around Just City, around the whole place in its entirety now, seeing TEGO start really see. Not say him ability, you know, him know him ability, he must know him ability, but it's like so well and the argument them where him did a get prior to coming back in the island or prior to publicize himself in the island. Him kinda under a certain influence, under a certain brain frame, you know see it. So him chill. You know see it. But when him see you, the youth them around him now, I do the things them where them know him can do. And know and them and make him know say we are do this because people know say are you our father. See? So you don't have to do it then. You know what? Alright, cool. I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna just make a step. I'm gonna make 2 links and come back and say, yo, I'm just gonna tell the man they say you send me in a Lula later. I'm say that man there, I'm telling him, say, you want to see man, him say, I come Sunday. And TEGO say, and Sunday, sure, and the man that turn up. Oh, I go, I'm so be waiting to the youth, them say, you want to see me. See? So, him himself, we basically have to pry him out of him shell with a big knife or a cutlass. We and him never them, him fall out with Jackie Fish. You know, see, true, that's what Jackie Fish did. Jackie Fish, nah, him no nonsense to the point where him will vex with you for your own good. If you not do what you supposed to do by yourself. As him bridging him, nah, the one side and a giggle like, no, him will vex with you and not deal with you. Yeah, I saw him stay. But now I say I him vex with him uncle and I deal with him uncle. But him was like the influence in him uncle ears where him uncle or him wife couldn't really deal with at that time. The base span the mind frame where him in. You know see, yeah, I think along you know about the business of a general. You know see, yeah. See? So him and Fish fall out still and a whole political friction they develop between him and the rest of the them here and there still. But you don't know the love there, the 100 see me and the respect regardless. You know see, yeah. You know see. So I saw now Tony Brown start, you know, represent and make representation up in the late 90s. See? From about 96, 97 onward. him start make certain representation and make certain step and make certain link and certain connection and thing like that and connect back to him old link them and people them to a level where, you know what I say, and start living life and be himself, be who him is to a degree. You know what I say? I mean be the Tony Brown from the 70s, you know. I mean him more relaxed now and you get what I say, and I live him life with everybody where me not really elaborate. Most people who are listening and what you say now did experience it or at some point saw something or see something or know say, yeah, I just saw. You get what I say? You see Mandez, you see me, you see Omi, you see Curry. You see the whole away. And the whole away, you don't know all the thing go. So you don't know. You know say, yeah. Seeing the man thing, the on a level, you know see it at some point. Seeing, but or when the same youth them running cars again now, you reach a certain point now where I know where as original youth now grow through access again and possession will grow to a certain degree where we end up leave the thing. You know see it on other younger youth and other old man to start the thing. But like me I say, it's enough for the man them that have ulterior motive and even intention for lead. And even did see TEGO as a springboard. So even when some man did see TEGO as, yeah, you know, say, yeah, the man and rated, some man see him as a exposure, you know, see it where them can get themselves out there certain way, you know, see it. And when them find them out there, them misread the program to a degree where them feel like so well, and with or without Tony Brown, them still a go get the same embrace where them get. You get what I say? So them start leak. I mean inform. You know see the militancy, the principle, them start break the principle them and thing like that, start disrespect the youth, them can the youth, them mag up on the youth, them everything where the system never set out to be inceptionally. You know see, so the same youth them now, little youth them when I used to abuse, because them not grow so originally enough of them for the past 10, 12 years now, 15 years now, when enough of them was 10, before them could before them can remember abuse. Yeah. Them not get to see you experience none of that. I tell you, you live in a community for years where never see certain level of violence yet. I just school, come home, I just see people, see woman I walk through the community and I look house for rent. You know see it, strange woman, nobody know her. You know see it, and she say a residential area up here so turn now, up here more and live. You know see it, and she a plea, but I don't know if she what did happening at the end. I don't think she get them, because I never see her again. You know see it? So them same youth you know, it's like so when then, you know, when when master gonna work and left monkey then think when monkey do monkey do it too. You know see, beat the picnic them and some more little thing, even though if some more unnecessary thing. You know see? Yeah, and again create another bitter part of the history. You know see, in a Tony Brown history where I tell you, I don't even know what can wipe that from the books. You know, see, we don't want to wipe it because you don't know, you know, them say every history is just history, you know, good and bad. And we have to accept them same way because of we. You know, see, everything now we. You know, see, the youth them are we. The elder them are we. And we are we. You know, see, so I just, you know, see, I want this. I be a love, a mad love seeing me. Because, again, I have no problem with no youth. Every youth show me a certain level. I go to Jamaica broke and the youth, I buy me Guinness and weed. I'm so broke, I go to my father's funeral, I go bury my father and dead till I low. I don't like use the word then I tell me pocket weak. I'm telling you, make the youth them know say, yo, and not stay so still and I'm just there and enjoy myself with it. How are you talk about, man? Hey, how are you chat, boy? no disrespect, you know, see it, and upon video by YouTube, I thought, it's fun, I need to brag, I tell a lie. Be a little youth, be a Guinness, be a weed every day. Give thanks. You know, see it? Them same little youth, they decide to say, yo, nah, I take no lashing from no boy, you know. Worse all boy, we are lash, I just shoot Tony Brown like them. Them nah go road go do nothing, them nah step, them nah, and them little thing there, you know, see it? Them, you know, see it. Me don't even want to go in on no details on that. You know, see it. But, yeah. You know, see it. I saw the big man come back in on the place, man, and a be a little mix up and little jubilation and dirty things start. You know, see, but him live some life still and him enjoy a certain level of respect. You know, see it. And Anaka, I give him that. Yeah. Yeah. And then any boy get my respect. My business, a guy one thing about me. Me not business. Me business with money thing about people. You know, see it. Me have good reason to think about people's character. Them. You know, see it. Yeah. Yeah, man. You don't know. Enough respect to the general, man. You don't know things could have done better, but it's the way it is. So I say I live to a very old age and sick and dead. Both him and Mr. Flash. You know, see it. You don't know. Share, like, and subscribe, and I hope that area better than the last one still. But you don't know, just Father, you know our heart. See? You know our will. See? But you always know what's best. See? So, regardless of how you want, just let thine will be done. You know, see, because we already accept you and your way and know say it is right. See? So let your will be done. Rastafari. See? Bless.